Energy transition, smart industries, mobility, digitalization, and critical infrastructure. The world is electrifying. At ABB Frosinone, we develop and produce technologies that deliver higher levels of protection, resilience, and energy efficiency. Always building on a legacy of pioneering innovation, our solutions enable smarter use of electricity and accelerate the energy transition. Driven by our passionate people who are creating cutting-edge solutions that empower our customers to thrive. As a trusted and resilient partner, we support their growth by embedding sustainability at the heart of everything we do. Demand for electricity is growing. At ABB Frosinone, our people and our technology are helping industries outrun leaner and cleaner.